A database is. A database is simply a collection of organized data. This data can be easily accessed, managed, and updated whenever required. For example, a customer record database might store customer names, phone numbers, and addresses in an organized way. Now, what is an RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It stores data in the form of tables, where data is organized in rows and columns. The special thing is, you can create relationships between these tables. For example, one table for students and another for courses, both connected through a student ID. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a table where you store student IDs, names, and contact numbers, and another table for courses with details like course IDs and course names. You can link both tables using the student ID, making data management easier. Now, let's check out some key features of MySQL. It's open source, delivers high performance, it's secure, highly scalable, meaning it can handle both small and large amounts of data. It works on different platforms like Windows, Linux, and